This is buckle down page 29. Divide whole numbers. Number 1, we have 323 divided by 17. So first we need to decide where to start. 17 cannot fit into this digit 3. 17 will not fit into 30. Will fit into 32. It will go in there once, since 1 times 17 is 17. Subtract. 32 minus 17 is 15. Make sure the answer to your subtraction is less than your divisor. It is. So you can bring down a digit. So you can divide again. Now we need to do 153 divided by 17. Since this is a multiple choice, let's look at our options. We know the tens digit for our quotient is 1. So we have choice A and choice B are possibilities. However, choice C and choice D cannot be our answer because it has digit 2 at tens place. That will make it a whole lot easier for you to solve this. So let's move on. Our ones digit has to be either digit 8 or digit 9. So let's do what 17 times, let's see, let's try 9. Alright, 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 1 is 9, plus that 6 is 15. Well, so we know the ones digit has to be 9. 9 times 17 is 153. So correct choice is choice B. Number 2. We have 496 divided by 31. First, we need to decide where to start. Well, 31 cannot fit into this digit 4, but it will to 49 once. 1 times 31 is 31. 49 minus 31 is 18. Make sure that is less than your divisor. It is, so bring down a digit. So we can divide again. 186 divided by 31. Now look at your options. The ones digit has to be either 4, 5, or 6. Let's see. Let's try 31 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That's not quite big enough. So let's try 31 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Oh, that may be. But let's try 31 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Well, what do you know? It has to be digit 6 because 6 times 31 is 186. So correct answer is going to be choice D.